Realized I haven't shown my face yet in this video, so hello, welcome back to my fitness channel. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe. I upload what I eat in a day videos so often, and also meal prep videos. I love to cook and show people that losing weight and eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. I feel like there's such a stigma around weight loss meals. People think that they need to be just the same exact things. They need to be eating chicken, broccoli, and rice every single day. Anyways, as you guys saw, this morning I had some avocado toast. That is my favorite thing right now. I go through phases with avocado toast where I'm super obsessed with it, and I'm in one of those phases. I actually just prepped my gym bag, and I have like my whole gym outfit on because I'm about to go get a workout in. I wanted to thank today's video sponsor, which is Built Bar. You guys know I'm Built Bar's biggest fan. I love talking about them because they're a different type of protein bar. They taste really good if you're craving something different than the traditional protein bar that kind of has that chalky taste to it. These are the consistency of, I always say, kind of like a marshmallow mixed with candy bar. So they are a little bit chewy. I always warn people of that, but I personally really like it. This is the mix box. I've actually already worked through this a little bit, and I think what they're doing now with mix boxes is you can get Built Bar puffs and bars mixed into the mix box, which I personally love the puffs as well. I actually already ate all of the puffs that were in this box because they're so good. Those are like legitimately a marshmallow. But Built Bar offers so many different flavor options. Literally no matter what it is that you like in a protein bar, they have one for you. I don't really know what I'm feeling today, but you guys know one of my favorites right now is the peanut butter brownie. So just for instance, on this peanut butter brownie one, there is 19 grams of protein. I just don't know if I want to have this one or if I'm feeling like the cherry barcia. I really like the fruity ones, like the coconut and the cherry barcia and the raspberry. Those are all really good to me. I don't know which one to choose. Oh no. Also, one that a lot of people love is the cookies and cream. I feel like that's a universal fan favorite. All right, I guess I'm gonna go with the peanut butter brownie because it sounds good to me right now. Some peanut butter. This is what the bar looks like. I always like to show that so that way people can see what the actual bar looks like. It's coated in chocolate. You can kind of see the texture right there. This one has like actual peanut chunks in it. So good. I just had to check in the mirror if I had chocolate in my teeth because I would have been really embarrassed. Anyways, I'm gonna leave a link down below to Built Bar for you guys to go check out. I get questions all the time if I have a discount code, and it's actually a link. So if you click the link in the description box, my discount will be applied at checkout for you guys. I can't recommend Built Bar enough. I love all of their flavors. Everything is good to me, so if you feel like you only want one flavor, get that because I love all of them. They're super high protein, super good. You can't go wrong. My mom even loves them. Like, I give my mom a box all the time because she is obsessed. So make sure you go check out the link down below to Built Bar, and thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna eat the rest of my bar and then head down to the gym. Hello everyone, I am back from the gym, freshly showered. It was a hair wash day, so I feel extra clean, and now we're gonna make a really quick lunch. I discovered this recipe, was it yesterday? Yeah, I think it was yesterday, and it's so good. It's so simple. I promise dinner is gonna be, no surprise here, I ran out of storage, but I promise dinner is gonna be a lot more exciting and a lot more ingredients and everything. I don't even know what I'm gonna have yet for dinner, but it will be more than the minimal ingredients like I've been showing you guys for breakfast and now lunch. I'm gonna get all the ingredients, and then we'll go through it together, but it's really simple. Okay, here's everything we're gonna need. We're gonna do like a tuna, is it called tuna salad? Tuna salad on top of rice cakes. So I have the tuna right here. I really like buying these like packet ones instead of a can because it's just so much easier. And as you can see, these are really high in protein. I'll probably use like 2/3 of this. And then we have some more avocado, jalapeno slices. I'm gonna top it with red onion for like a little bit of crunch. I didn't do that yesterday, but I feel like it could be good. And then for the tuna, we have some light mayo, and I always put hot sauce in my tuna because I think it tastes really good. I'm gonna add some seasonings as well, but like this is the basis of it. And then the star of the show, sorry, it's kind of all crumpled. So I tried these yesterday. I don't know why no one has told me about these, and I posted on Instagram. People were saying that these are really hard to find, so I'm gonna go back to my grocery store today and stock up on more because these are so good, you guys. The Quaker brand tomato and basil rice cakes. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up when I take 2 of them out to show you what it looks like on the inside because they are so seasoned. They look like this. I'm telling you guys, I don't even like rice cakes like that. Like normally they kind of just don't really do it for me, but these I could eat the entire pack. They are so good. And like I said, people on Instagram are telling me that they've been looking for them because I guess they sell out really quick or that they're like really hard to find. I don't know. So we're gonna use these as like the base instead of bread like I normally would do. This is so simple. You guys will see. Literally all you have to do is just mix the tuna with some mayo and hot sauce. All right, y'all, everything is prepped. So I have the tuna right here, and then I was gonna just add the red onion on top, but I figured it would kind of like fall off. So to be safe, I added it into the avocado that I just added a little bit of salt and pepper to, and then I'm gonna add the jalapeno slices on the top at the end. But look at these beautiful, beautiful rice cakes. My mouth is literally watering. These are the best things ever. I can't wait until later too because I'm gonna have one as a snack. I already know it because I'm gonna crave it again because they taste so good. A lot of people on my Instagram story were saying too, as like a snack, just adding a little bit of cream cheese on top is super good. Yeah, I'm gonna quickly assemble. We're almost done. All right, y'all, and here is the finished product. I love this because it's quick, it's easy, you don't have to cook anything. It takes me like 10 minutes max to make this, and it tastes so good. Please, if you take anything away from this video, trust me on these rice cakes. You will not regret buying these. It's like one of my favorite things I've discovered in the past like year. Also, I know buffalo sauce with tuna sounds a little weird, but don't knock it till you try it. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, think about what I'm gonna have for dinner, and I'll talk to you guys in a couple hours. Hi everyone, it's been a bit since I made lunch. I am getting so hungry. I've had the most stressful afternoon, so I'm excited to just like be in the kitchen and cook with you guys. I just had some like computer troubles and I can't seem to figure out how to fix it, so there's that, but it's okay. Brief intermission from the computer troubles to make dinner. I went to Shaw's. Like I said, I was gonna go to the grocery store, so I'm gonna show you guys all the stuff that I got. I'm making something really different tonight. What is it called? It's like a salmon red curry, and I'm gonna do salmon coconut curry Thai inspired. I have a recipe, so I will leave it linked down below. Hopefully I remember. I'm tweaking like a couple things, but for the most part I'm following the recipe exactly. So first thing I got is some cilantro, and then I also got basil because they said to like top it off with both of those. I got some naan to dip it in, or to dip in the curry sauce because I thought that sounded good. Some yellow onion. I also just got 2 avocados because I needed them. I got a red bell pepper that I'm gonna put in the sauce. I also got some carrots. She used broccoli and carrots, but I'm gonna do a red pepper and carrots because another recipe I was looking at that was like kind of the same thing, she used a red pepper. My hair is pissing me off. I also got some brown sugar. I feel like I have some, but I just wanted to be on the safe side. Fish sauce. This is what I'm gonna use, the Thai Kitchen red curry paste. I think this is the brand that she used, that she recommended. And when I say she, I mean whoever made up this recipe. We have some full fat coconut milk. Okay, great. I also got some crushed red pepper because, like I said this morning, I ran out. I got a pound, or like a little less than a pound of salmon. And then lastly, I got some ginger paste and some more minced garlic because I feel like I'm running pretty low on that as well. Okay, so that's everything that I got. I guess I'm gonna start by prepping the salmon. So the people that like I got recipes from, they said to pan sear the salmon, but I really like just making salmon in the air fryer. It's just so much easier for me, and then this way I can get started on the sauce while the salmon is cooking. And plus I feel like I use less oil when I cook salmon this way, and it's just so much easier for the skin to fall off. Like it makes my life a lot easier. So I'm gonna cook the salmon in the air fryer. If I make any tweaks to this recipe as we go along, I'll update you guys as we go, so that way if you're following the recipe but you want to make it like how I did, you'll know. Or if I make a mistake in the end and it doesn't taste good, you'll know what not to do. But okay, let's get to cooking. I just want to relax and make, hopefully, a good meal. Hopefully this is good because it's different types of like flavors than I normally use. So I'm a little nervous because I don't normally cook stuff like this, but I feel like it'll be good. It looks good in the picture, like the recipe picture. It looks really good. All right, you guys, the salmon is all done in the air fryer. Now all I have to do is really just add the, what was it, basil and cilantro, a little bit of lime juice to the pan. I also made some rice right here to add to the bottom. This has been simmering for a while. Yeah, this needs to be definitely taken off the heat feel like it's been simmering for a good while. Okay, we get it. Oh my goodness. So far, so good. I tasted it and it tastes really good. I think it's like gonna be a success, you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna add the salmon back in here, or I'm gonna do the lime juice first, then the salmon, and then the basil and the cilantro. And in the meantime, I'm gonna toast up one of these. These just fit perfectly in the toaster. I'll probably add like a little bit of butter to it after. Hi guys, I am officially done cooking. It smells so good. I tried to make it look cute in this little bowl, but I didn't really do a good job. I have my naan over here as well that I just added a little bit of butter to. I figured we could do a quick little taste test on camera. I don't normally do this because I don't normally make a lot of like meals that I don't know if I'll love. I'm gonna get a good bite, some of the salmon, some of the sauce, some of the rice. It smells delicious. I don't know why, I've just been craving carrots so much recently, so I'm happy I added those in. It smells so good. Oh my god, it tastes so good. I want to rip off some naan and dip it. My hair is a disaster right now, but I don't even care. Oh my god, I love naan so much, and when you dip it in the sauce, oh my god. You guys need to make this. I'll leave the recipe down below. Only thing I really altered was I added a lot of like crushed red pepper to the sauce, air fried the salmon instead of pan searing it first. I'm trying to think if there was anything else that I switched up. I don't think so. Like I said, I added a little bit of crushed red pepper to the sauce, and I added a little bit of pepper, just like regular pepper. So, because she didn't say to season the sauce at all, but I still did. I'm gonna put Good Girls on Netflix and eat like I've never eaten before because I am starving and this is just hitting the spot. This is so good. I need to make more dishes that are like out of my comfort zone. Hey guys, good morning. It is the next morning. I finished editing this video kind of late last night, but I wanted to just film an outro and say goodbye because I always forget to do that in what I eat in a day videos. I'm doing the same thing pretty much that I did yesterday, drinking my water, having my coffee, about to make breakfast, have a Built Bar, and then head off to the gym. Last night's dinner was incredible. You guys need to make that. I love it so much. I think I'm gonna make it again today because it was just that good. It tasted so amazing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you have any requests from me of like specific types of videos that you wanna see. I definitely am gonna do a meal prep video soon because I know how much you guys love those and I like them too because it makes my life so much easier. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end, I love you so much. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, watch other videos. If you're new here, follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff, and I will talk to you guys again very soon.